The accused used spray on the victim, and after this victim, what is being said that in a chilling message, the accused also took a selfie on his mobile phone and typed that he would return. Now, what is being said that the incident took place around 7:30 in the evening on Wednesday, and the accused entered the society and said that he was there to deliver a package. He was a courier boy. The survivor said that it was not her package, but the accused then said that she would still have to sign up for it. Now, the police has registered an FIR in the case and have started to search for the accused, but there has been a chilling message by the accused that was left behind for the survivor in the case saying that I will be back.
The case registered at Kondwa police station. If you could just give us that information.
In jurisdiction of Kondwa police station in Pune city, offence under section 6477, 351(2) of BNS is registered. Yesterday at 7:30, Nirbhaya, age 22 years, one delivery boy with bank envelope entered her flat, and he said that courier is there, but I have forgotten the pen. So Nirbhaya went inside her home to take the pen. Meanwhile, immediately he closed the door, and this incident happened.
So, what steps have been taken by the police to investigate the whole matter after case registered?
Police has made detailed Panchanama. Medical is in progress. Total 10.
Well, we have Rucha and Nilesh joining us live right now. Rucha, what are the people saying? Because societies have a high-end security system also said to be in place. How can such an incident take place, that too at a high-end posh area in Pune where this incident has been reported?
Well, this incident has alarmed the entire Pune city. This is not the first incident that has happened in Pune. For the recent few months, we have been seeing that many such rape cases have been reported from Pune city, Pune rural area, and today's incident is very shocking because a society which is completely covered with high-end security CCTV cameras, in such locality a person managed to enter a house. He posed as a delivery boy, and he told the victim that it was her parcel. Despite she kept denying that it was not her parcel, he told her that she has to sign, otherwise he won't leave. As soon as the girl went inside to bring the pen, the accused entered the flat, and he sexually assaulted her. And what's shocking is that the accused sprayed some chemical on the girl's face, and she was not in senses when he left, and while taking advantage of the situation, the accused managed to take a selfie from the victim's phone. He took a selfie and wrote on it that I will be back again. This is very shocking incident coming from Pune.
Well, shocking
city.
And chilling at the same time, Nilesh. What is the police now doing in this case to nab the accused?
Well, Samita, this is an absolute and horrific news update coming in from Pune. Speaking on the front of the investigation, the Pune police as of now has formed 10 teams, including the forensic team officials who have reached out at the residence of the victim and are conducting the probe. Now, what the police officials have said that they have found a
Nilesh, just interrupting you, Abba Singh is with us on the phone line. Abba Singh, what do you make of such kind of an incident, that too in a high-end society being reported in Pune? A delivery boy, actually the accused there, terming himself as a delivery boy, enters a woman's home, rapes her in her own home, then sends out a chilling message with a selfie that he took, apparently saying that I will be back again.
Oh my God, this is absolutely horrifying, and it shows that our safety and security systems are pathetic. I mean, accused a criminal coming as a delivery boy, this is the hazard of having so many delivery agents like Swiggy, Amazon, Blinkit. I think we need to have a policy on them that they will not be allowed to enter the houses. They will only deliver the goods with the watchmen. Till the time we don't do it, these type of incidents would happen. But the bigger issue is that in spite of having strong punishment like death penalty and life imprisonment for rape, this shows that there's no fear of law because a person who's committing such a heinous offense knows the consequence if he's caught. So that means he thinks he can con the police, he can con the system, which is more worrying.
Well, absolutely, it is. No, fear of the law that has now been said in this case as the police has formed multiple teams there to nab the accused. Abba Singh, thank you very much for your point of view. Nilesh, coming to that, because this is chilling. If a man who is a rape accused in this case takes a selfie, commits a crime, and then says that I will be back again, the audacity, the nerve to also push for such kind of a threats and blackmail to the survivor in this case.
Well, yes, Amita, and which is why this question is being raised as to are people or are women not safe into their residence also? Because as of now, the police have formed multiple teams, around 10, who are investigating the case. They have found a picture into the victim's cell phone in which the victim is appearing half-faced. That is, his face is not very much clear, and currently the police officials are forming sketching of this face and are trying to locate this individual. But yes, a lot many question does arises onto the safety of women into the state as well, which is now also being picked up by the opposition leaders here in the state. But the primary question still remains of the security of women. Now, what we are picking up through official sources is that the woman, the 22-year-old, used to reside with his brother. However, on that particular moment, the brother had gone out of the house for his regular work. But this woman was home alone, working in an IT firm. She was working from home, and this is when the incidents unfolded. So a lot many question arises because it is a scenario that is witnessed on a regular basis. We all pull out delivery through online platforms, and delivery boys from various delivery platform reaches our homes as well. So yes, it is a lot many questions that is need to be answered, and the safety and security of women needs to be ascertained. Just like Abba Singh also pointed out that various sections are imposed into this case also, but it is ultimately the fear of law that is not
well,
seen
absolutely
into such
shocking. Their police says that they have formed several teams to nab the accused. Hope the accused is nabbed very soon and fitting punishment is given to the accused. For the moment, thank you very much, Richa and Nilesh, for joining us here on the broadcast. We head into a short break. Newsroom 365 coming up on the other side.
The biggest